Hi friends, we're going to do a toy top review.
Wow, that sounds exciting, Sari. So, what do you have in front of you? Different
Toy tops.
toy tops. How many toy tops are you going to show them?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 different kinds of
Toy tops.
toy tops. So, what are we going to show them first?
This, the exclamation mark.
That is an exclamation mark top. Can you show them how it looks? Can you show them? Turn it around first.
Wow.
So when you spin it, again. So when you spin it,
It looks like it's floating.
yeah, it looks
The
like
line is floating like an exclamation mark.
the longer end is floating. It does look like an exclamation.
Also, you can do it as a person too if you want to.
And when you spin it on the other side,
It can be a person.
it looks like
A person.
a person spinning.
Yeah.
So what do you call that again? Can you show them?
An exclamation mark.
An exclamation mark.
Top spinner.
Nice. Okay, so Sari, what's the next one? What do you call that?
Wind spin.
It's called an airflow
Wind spin.
spinning top.
Let's open it.
Ooh, that looks interesting. We'll find out. I think you'll need to use the container. So in it is a magnet. There's a magnet in one end, and then that's it. You have to blow on top of it, make it spin. So the magnet on the lid, it keeps it steady. There you go. See, you did it. Oh, look at that. Ah, it's mesmerizing. Look at that.
Let's do the next one.
Okay, what's the next one?
This.
That's the forever spinning top. How does it work?
Let's try it. Not again. Try again.
Nice.
So cool.
So this one, it has 2 pointy ends, and then in the middle is it's like a ring.
Yeah. Kind of. Or ice
Can you
cream.
try and spin it again? So it's like a disc in the middle. See that?
Yeah.
Cool. It looks like it will never stop spinning. That's why you call it the forever spinning top. So it looks like it has a disc in the middle and then 2 pointy. Okay, so what's the next one? So the last top is
The drawing one.
these are spinning
Marker.
tops.
Let's try one.
What color is that?
Green. Because I'm in the green. What? Let's try
Look
it.
at that.
Look at how it goes.
Ooh,
It's making a pattern. Look.
that is amazing. What other colors do you have?
It looks like red here, but it's pink.
So it's red.
No, it's pink.
Oh, it's pink.
See, look.
It does look like pink.
The last one is blue.
And blue. So when you spin it on top of a paper, it creates different
patterns.
patterns. So we got spirals,
Any. Also, we can make
like
a
cones.
any. Also, spiral. Also, curls too.
And pearls. That's really cool. That's amazing.
Yeah, we have some other designs how to make this. I made my one. I made my own one. Look.
So again, you've got the forever spinning top. You've got the airflow spinning top. Exclamation mark. And what do you call this one?
The
Spinning
top.
spinning marker top. Thank you, Sari. That is a really cool
Toy review. It was
toy
super cool.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Thank you, Sari.